Hello developers. In this video, we are going to learn what is JIT compiler in Tailwind. So what does that mean? JIT compiler, Tailwind CSS JIT, or just-in-time mode, is a game changer. It compiles your CSS on demand as you author your HTML, resulting in lightning-fast build times and a dramatically reduced file size. Why use JIT mode? Why should you care about JIT mode? Simple. It's fast, it keeps your CSS file size small, and it enables new features that weren't possible before. Let's get you set up with Tailwind CSS JIT mode. Follow these simple steps. After enable the JIT compiler in your tailwind.config.js file, build once using npm run build command. As you save your file, JIT mode compiles your CSS instantly. You'll see the changes live without a rebuild. JIT mode also unlocks some advanced features. You can use arbitrary value support, variant grouping, and even extend your utility classes on the fly. It's all about making your development process faster and more efficient. JIT compiler feature supports Tailwind version 2.1 and above. And there you have it. Tailwind CSS JIT mode is a revolutionary tool for developers. Try it out, and you'll see how much faster and enjoyable your workflow can be. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. Happy coding!